What if I told you AI can now script, voice, and edit your videos, no gear, no filming, and no prior experience? In this video, I'll show you how to launch your own AI-powered YouTube channel in 2025, step by step. Let's go. Start by picking a niche that people already binge. Think AI tools, tech reviews, motivation, side hustles, or tutorials. Stick to something evergreen, so your content keeps earning over time. Use ChatGPT to write your video scripts. Prompt it like this: write a 2-minute YouTube script about the top 3 free AI tools for freelancers. Tweak the tone and style, and you've got a script in seconds. Now use AI to narrate it. Tools like 11 Labs or Pictory's built-in voices turn your script into polished voiceovers, no microphone needed. Use Pictory.ai to convert your script into a full video. It automatically adds stock footage, subtitles, and syncs the voice. You literally drag, drop, and export. Post your video with an eye-catching thumbnail and keyword-rich title. Monetize with affiliate links, future ad revenue, or selling digital products. No studio. No camera. Just smart automation. Subscribe for more faceless channel strategies, AI tools, and step-by-step growth hacks. All the tools I use are linked in the description.